Are you worried that it seems that the best of Nigeria is in the past? Everything that looks like our best is in the past. Are you worried in any
Well,
way?
I'm worried to the extent that the past of our leaders, honestly speaking, were not materially driven. They were functionally driven. They were result oriented. It wasn't a matter, it was a joy for you to watch Emma Bara's Premier of Eastern Nigeria, taking political functional context with Akintola in Ibadan, Ahmadu Bello in Kaduna. Everybody boasts of what they have done over a period of time. And people were motivated for that. Go to the National Assembly and you see people coming up, making relative presses about what they have done in their zones, what government is doing. So people look forward, either being a legislator or being a governor or whatever. So there's always a vision. But today I doubt if people understand the word vision anymore. The vision is to make money, steal money, to hell with the rest of the people. Nobody's interested. If not, if people were any more interested than it was before, then, like I normally say, 774 local government, I'll continue to say it. Water is not running in any of them. I wonder if any serving governor or past governors can take you press people to his town, not local government, and open a tap and water is running there. It will gladden my heart. That is the level where we have fallen down to. If people do not have sympathy for ordinary water, what is you want him to give you? When you see them do a project, it's a project that foreign money is being siphoned out, because that's the only way they can take that money out. They start a project, pay for it, and abandon it halfway. That's why most things are not happening. Things are not happening. Absolutely not. So we pray God that we start having leaders who will think of the common good. You still feed well, you still eat well. What do you do if you are giving 1 billion to function instead of using 900 million to do something? They're still up to 950 million. And when the little that is left can't do anything, they share it up and couldn't be bothered because nothing happens. There's no consequence in this country for bad performance. That's why things continue to go wrong. Nobody is praying for a military takeover, but this is what influences that kind of thinking process. How can we have a change? People can't demonstrate. They kill them. They fire them. So how do you protest really to ask for a change? We are, bottled up, as it were, in a system where there's no light at the end of the tunnel. So, but I have always trusted in the will of the Lord to make changes when it is necessary. And I think this is the time it is necessary. But how those changes will come, it will be imaginative for me to start saying that I'm not in government. The much I can do, when I have this privilege of some of you interviewing me, you just use your voice to ask them how much money is enough money. How much do you steal to take care of your family? Your families, your extended family, your children, your ones unborn. That is what they are packing money for. And foolishly, some of the time they steal this money, put it in Swiss banks, in names unnumbered, accounts unnumbered. So when they die, the Swiss government takes over. That's why Swiss government, without all anything, is the richest country in the world as per capita. Because a lot of money is emptied into their country and you can't take it out. So it's a pity. But,
All right, let's go to Namkano. We've
yeah.
had this back and forth trial, back and forth movement. Today is this, tomorrow is this. What exactly do you think is this problem of forth and back? Nnamdi argues that he has no case. The government says he has a case. So, how do we come out of this conundrum?